Hello, everyone, and welcome to My Money Grows. Singing is a talent that many people possess, and if you're one of those people, you have the opportunity to turn your passion into a profitable career. In this video, we'll cover 5 ways to make money singing. Perform at local events. One of the most common ways to make money singing is by performing at local events. You can sing at weddings, birthday parties, or other events in your community. You can advertise your services on social media or through word of mouth, and charge a fee for each performance. Participate in talent shows. Another way to make money singing is by participating in talent shows. There are many competitions and shows that offer cash prizes for the winners, and some may also offer exposure to industry professionals. This can be a great opportunity to showcase your talent and potentially launch your career. Create your own music. If you have a creative streak, you can create your own music and sell it online. Platforms like Bandcamp, SoundCloud, and Spotify allow independent artists to upload and sell their music. You can also create your own YouTube channel and monetize your videos through ads or sponsorships. Work as a session singer. Session singing is a lucrative way to make money with your voice. Many artists and producers hire session singers to sing on their recordings. You can find work as a session singer through online classifieds or by contacting recording studios in your area. Teach singing lessons. If you have experience and expertise in singing, you can offer singing lessons to others. You can advertise your services online or through word of mouth and charge a fee for each lesson. This can be a great way to not only make money but also to share your knowledge and passion for singing with others. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money singing. By performing at local events, participating in talent shows, creating your own music, working as a session singer, or teaching singing lessons, you can turn your passion into a profitable career. With a bit of creativity and some marketing savvy, you can build a successful career using your singing talents.